Use the map to find your directions around Herculaneum. Your first errand is to take the message to Saganas. You'll find this on the west of the city, but use run for long distance travelling, because you're up against time. In this case, it's the volcano, so you've got to get moving pretty quickly. Once you get to Saganas' place, find Saganas, inquire, and deliver the message. Go back to the map because you now have to go to the swimming pool. Click on the swimming pool and run again. He'll give you some money, 3 sesterces. Get going to the swimming pool. Once you get to the swimming pool, steal the clothes. Use the toga, put it on, go back to the map, and make your way down to the dagger seller. Inquire how much the daggers are, pay for a dagger, using that 3 sesterces, but don't threaten him. If you mug him, you're likely to end up like this. And that's the end of the game. So that's not a very wise move. Instead, go and mug some other people. Basically, you need to get all the money you can, so that when you get to Rome to save the emperor, you've got lots of money. Go to the lucky dice seller, buy a lucky dice for 2 sesterces. Don't use your dagger, just threaten him and get all your money back, plus the money he's got. So now you want to set off for the key, but just remember that volcano. You can hear it in the background. And there it is, the volcano screen. Bedlam and scenes of panic on the streets. So just remember the time you're up against. And there it is, all that bedlam. Mug a few people while you've got the chance. Use the threaten key. They give up their money. And even though the ash is coming down, you've got a bit more money to spend when you get to Rome. Now you want to get to the key as quick as possible, before the ash gets you. So instead of running around like a wild-headed lunatic, find the keymaster. Select Pay and click on him. Make sure the cursor clicks exactly on the character you want to deal with. Pay the 3 sesterces and get yourself into that boat. And you're safe. Sit back and admire the views of the wonderful volcano. Just be glad you're not there. Here we are at Rome. You're arriving just in time, basically. You've got to save the emperor from an assassination, so you've got to get to work pretty quick. You hear an announcement. It comes from the direction of the Forum. Citizens, hear this. There will be a slave auction here in a short while. Now, a slave could come in pretty handy, so spend some of that hard-earned money. Now, there's the Forum. Get the cursor to click on the Forum so you can get there. The problem was, when I did get there, I got into an argument about the price of a slave. I ended up killing a Roman, which is against the law. And the penalty for that is this. Rome AD 92 is a great game. I had a lot of fun playing it.